Most smartwatches today can measure your running cadence, but how exactly does your watch track your cadence? Let's break it down together. In most situations, when we move forward, each step we take roughly matches each arm swing. Of course, unless you're an alien, then that's another story. And a watch, as the name suggests, sits on your wrist. You raise your hand to check the time, and maybe admire your watch a bit, besides telling time and looking good. Once you put an accelerometer inside the watch can detect your arm movements as you run, and count each forward and back swing, and that count becomes your cadence. To make sure the accelerometer can reliably pick up those arm swings, Garmin engineers collected tons of running motion data during development. From there, they built software so your watch can consistently detect cadence. But certain situations can cause inaccurate cadence readings. For example, if you start taking off your jacket mid-run, that motion isn't part of normal running movement, so your cadence or even your running power may look strange. Or maybe your arm swing is just very different from most runners. Like running with your arm held way up, looking like you're charging forward with a pistol, doing some wild style, or playing an imaginary violin. If you only swing big every few steps, your cadence numbers may also look off. And like we said earlier, every arm swing gets detected by the accelerometer in your watch. If your arm swing supports good running efficiency, or at least is similar to most runners, your cadence readings should be accurate. But if your cadence looks unusual, it might be worth checking whether your arm swing or overall movement pattern needs a bit of adjusting. If you're thinking, I always run like this, I want to swing my arms this way, but can I still have normal cadence readings? Of course you can. We recommend wearing a running dynamics pod. Its built-in accelerometer can track your cadence instead. That way, you can run however you like, with whatever arm swing you prefer. To wrap things up, if you want to improve running efficiency, cadence is a great metric to watch. And you can also take a moment once in a while to check how you're swinging your arms. If your watch shows big fluctuations in cadence, but you want to keep your preferred arm swing in running form, then consider using a running dynamics pod for more consistent cadence tracking. Thanks for watching.